You're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my free Weebly website review. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Weebly to create a website for free. Whether you're looking to create an e-commerce website for free or a blog website, you'll be able to do that on the Weebly website builder. To get started, I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. And to sign up, you don't need a credit card or anything like that. All you'll need is your email address, and from there you can create an account and create a password. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do now is tap on Create Your Website. After you have tapped on Create Your Website, you'll be redirected to this page. So you can enter your first name, last name, and your email address and create a password. After you have created your password, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you have two options. You can either choose to create just a regular website, for example, a blog website, or if you need a website and an online store to start selling, you can create this option. So we're going to be selecting website with online store. After you have done that, you can enter the name of your website. So I'm just going to call it test. Then tap on continue. Are you currently selling any items? You can select yes, I'm currently selling, or no if you haven't. So I'm just going to select I'm just trying out Weebly. Then after doing that, what type of items will you be selling? So for example, if you will be selling digital products like arts and craft, you can select that. If you'll be selling clothing and shoes, you can select that. You can have numerous options, as you can see right here. You can select any one of these options. Now let's say, for example, I were to select arts and craft, then scroll down and I'm going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, from here you could enter in your physical address where you'll be doing the shipping from, or you can tap on skip to skip that section. After you have tapped on skip, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on design now. After you have tapped on design now, you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you can start setting up your website. So you can see how our website looks. So this is the mobile view. If you would like to change the view, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap right here. Then you'll tap on desktop, and this is the desktop view, as you can see here. Now to edit each section is quite easy. For example, to make changes to the header section, you can tap on header. Then from here, you'll be able to add your logo and so on. And if you'll also like to add links, you could do that. So for example, if you would like to customize the layout, you can change the layout right here. So you can see that the current text, the logo, is moving. So you can see that it is located centrally right there. And if I would like to change the style, I can do that by tapping on any one of these layout options. Also, if you would like to make it a sticky header, you can do that by tapping on sticky header right there. Now to add a logo, you'll tap on logo from the left hand menu option. Then from there, you can tap on either text or image, and you can choose what type of logo you would like to add. If you would like to add other buttons, you can toggle on button. And for example, you could add a shop all button right there, or you can choose to edit the button and you could change the button link, and you can also change the name, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you will tap on done. Then we can continue editing, so you can see the main banner section. And again, you will be able to edit the layout if you want, and you can scroll down, you can change the background color. So I could tap on edit color styles, and from here you can change the color style. So you could tap on background and you can see the different background shades that you can choose from, or you can tap on the plus right here. So let's say, for example, we were to choose that shade. You can also choose to change the title and so on. And if you would like to change the text, you can do that by tapping here. So after doing that, we could change the background media. So if you would like to add an image, you could tap there, then tap image, and you can choose to either upload an image. So let me do that. So I'm just going to be uploading this image for example's sake with that. So you can see that looks a lot better now. If you would like to add a tagline, you can do that. If you would like to add text on your banner, you could toggle on text, and you can see that a small text box has been added where you could type out whatever you want. And also, if you like to remove the button, you could toggle that off. If you like to edit the button, you can tap on it, and from there you can edit the button. Once you're finished doing that, you can scroll down, and then we can edit the featured items section. So you're going to tap on featured items. Then from here, you'll be able to create your first product. So we're going to tap on create an item. Then you can choose whether it is a physical item, prepared food and beverage, donation, event, or service. So you can see the different options that you are provided with. Now let's say, for example, we're selling a service. We can tap on service right there. After you have tapped on service, you could type in what type of service you're offering. So let's say, for example, consultation. Then from here, you can set the price. Then you could write out a quick description, and you could also add a quick cover image. So I'm just going to be adding a random image as the cover image. So let me do that real quick. Let's say, for example, this, and I'll tap on open. Then I'm going to tap on save, just so you can see how it looks right there. So there are quite a few editing options that you have access to, as you can see right here. You can also change the aspect ratio and so on of the product images. And if you like to add badges, you can scroll down, but to add a badge, you'll need to go on their upgraded plan. After tapping on done, from here you'll be able to edit the newsletter section. So at the moment, you can see how it looks. Don't have a lot of options compared to other website builders, for example like Wix. You'll be able to create a good looking free website using Weebly. And also, if you like to add PDF, you could do that. So you could add a PDF section by tapping on PDF, as you can see right here. So if it is a case that you like to sell PDF or make PDF downloadable, you can do that. You could add your PDF file right there that you'd like to offer, and you can see that persons will be given the option to download it, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on done. Then from there, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, from here you can use a custom domain, or you can use a Weebly subdomain. So we are going to be using a Weebly subdomain, as you can see right here. So we will leave it as is, but if you like to change the name, you can do that. So all you'll need to do is tap on enter, and that's it. You can see that my website has now been published. So at the moment, this is how my free Weebly website looks. So this is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.